You know, it's funny. This is girl talk. People don't call it girl power Tuesdays and I hear them. I tune in on Tuesday, girl talk. Yes, girl talk. Well, today, at some point or the other, ladies, not me. I'm going to read what's on the problem, but it's not me. We faked going for a purse slowly so he can beat us to it with his wallet. No. But really, when it comes to the first date, is it a man's job to fork out the cash? Let's talk about it. So apparently there's a WhatsApp image going around, Cindy.
Sorry.
Yeah, there's a WhatsApp image.
All right, so you be the girl and I'll be the guy.
All right. Hey, I've been busy. Wait, so he says, hey, I've been busy.
No, she says,
hey, I've been busy. No, she said, though I'll be honest. Oh, hey, I've been busy, though I'll be honest. I didn't appreciate that you extended an invitation to me to leave my home to meet you, kept offering me more drinks, and then asked me to contribute to the bill at the end of the night. It was a bit rude.
I paid 78% of the bill. You pretty much just tipped.
Not sure why you're getting into figures and percentages when that's not the point.
If you don't want to talk to me because of that, then that's fine. I think I was quite generous, but oh well.
If you invite someone out and you keep offering them drinks, it's discourteous to ask them to pay anything at all.
Just tipped. You just tipped.
Right. And then she says, he says, I always make the
female tip. You're the first person to guess. You're the first person to guess to say something about that. Okay, cool, that's how you feel. I don't know where you get your rules from or which law book you're quoting from. She says take care.
Take care.
Why she never said take care so long before?
So,
she right out early.
So, let me be the first to say.
Let me be the first to say.
Get the parameters worked out before I leave the building. There's nothing wrong with both people contributing to the bill.
Going Dutch.
Nothing wrong with both people contribute to the bill. If Marvin said, let's go eat a patty. I say, Marvin, I feel like patty today, I want to eat some Chinese food, and I have Chinese food money, then I will pay for the Chinese food, because that's what I want to eat.
Okay. But if Marvin says to you, Daddy, let's go eat some Chinese food,
yes,
and you go, and you eat the swimming, and you feel like you want some sweet and sour pork, can you order that? And you say, order it, man. And you say, boy, I'm thirsty. And him say, what do you want to drink? And then him say, you want another drink? When the bill come, he gonna look into you to pay some of it? So
I'm gonna tell you the challenge, which is very subjective, because that's just me.
I would just tell Marvin I'm going to the bathroom.
First of all, I don't know Marvin pocket. So from Marvin say, I could go buy Chinese. Me I say, you have money? Me I ask him. Me I say, you have money? Yeah, no, me I ask him. When we reach, I'm going to look for the thing. I'm going to say, this is what Marvin pocket can afford. I'm going to say, me I go order this. And Marvin say, no, man. Order the chop suey. Me I say, Marvin, you can pay your feet. Come in, I have money for pay your feet. So ambiguity and my thing in the same one. I'm going to tell you.
Straight up.
Yeah, you can pay your feet. Come in, I have money for pay your feet.
Yeah.
If him say, right. Nobody can show me bill after that.
I want to ask a question though.
As a matter of fact, when the bill come, me I go get up and go to the bathroom.
That's what I just told him. I'm going to the bathroom and that bathroom is in Clarendon. I'm not coming back.
I go bathroom.
If a gentleman asks you out.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know, it's 2017, a lot of the rules have changed. Chivalry is not really supposed to be dead, but for some people it's buried. But if Harold comes to me and asks me out, Simone, I'd like to take you to dinner or for lunch. I don't expect to pay any money. Because you've extended an invitation to me of your desire to take me somewhere. So even though I never leave home without vexed money.
Some of them not ask, you know. You want to go eat?
No, when if you say you want
to go... Them say, Simone, may I carry out for dinner? Them say, Simone, where you do Friday? Make we go eat some dinner. It's a total different question, ladies. But let me tell you, men, I'm on your side. Because women sometimes don't listen. Them not listen.
So hold on.
And then if ask questions, so him say,
hold on.
come we go eat. You say, who pay
that
for
is
it?
a
No,
red
the
flag.
red say, who pay for it?
Make we go eat. No.
Yeah, so someone when you're Friday, make we go eat at dinner.
Yeah, I'm not eat Friday evening.
Make we go eat at dinner.
No.
It's a different engagement than Simone. I'd like to take you for dinner.
Is this like a real conversation? Off WhatsApp?
Yeah.
And people actually like calling about this. Like the guy was like, but if I, if I have a grand and I use my grand.
I blame her.
Well, I blame her for talking too long.
No, I blame her for the ambiguity because if him say you want something else to drink.
When this dude said I paid 70, he worked out how much percent, like with a calculator.
Simone.
78. She lucky never said it's 78.35.
She said he kept offering drinks. I'm asking, man. Daily, you want something else to drink? Can you pay for it?
I'm not going to try this.
First of all, from going at the cat, that's how you see me a comedian. Me get to enough things enough. From me sitting at the restaurant, I say, the restaurant is nice. Oh gosh, would I come by myself, but me can't afford it.
Hint one.
Eh?
No.
A hint one.
Delia, I'm not
would
going
I come by myself, but me can't afford it.
With somebody who I have to keep asking. If he asks me if I want more, I have to keep checking. To see if him can.
So you can go with somebody you don't know the capacity or the depth of his pocket.
Going to make a running check like he's in an interrogation room.
No, but are you going to go with somebody that you have not done enough background check to know that they can afford to take you there?
If I like the person, I will go, but I'm going to ensure that if the night ends that I have my vex. You always have vex or don't vex money.
They're going to know the capacity.
But I'm not going to say, if you ask me for drinks, I'm going to ask you, you sure you can pay for that one? And then if you send me another drinks, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
I think you know the capacity of the person's pocket before you go. I think so. I think if he only has patty money, do not take him to eat lobster.
I love patty, so I will go and eat patty with you.
The patty.
I see people arguing online about whether KFC is a date. I love KFC. But sometimes woman wicked though.
Sometimes woman wicked. Me see some woman sometimes stand up. Me see one woman one time she had drink. What was she drinking? Like a soda. And the man is in the club and the man says, can I offer you a drink? Or soda she a drink? Can I offer you a drink? And she said, yes, I want. And she ordered one wine. And I say, no, she drank from the soda to the wine and the man I look one way in pocket, can I afford? Can I offer you?
But he didn't say, can I offer you another soda?
Because next thing
he said, can I offer you a drink? So if she asked
but you have conscience. Gentlemen, I'm with, sometimes I don't know, so when I wrong my cousin, but when I don't know wrong, I pick up phone now.
Listen.
Some woman terrible.
Women paying for dates is a thing. Going Dutch is a thing. You don't have any problem with that, but as Dela says, set the rules before. If you're going Dutch, you know that he's paying half and you're paying half, or he's paying for what he eats and you're paying for what he eats, that's fine. But the running interrogation where you talk and choke,
could have worse. So no could have step out of the taxi and him step off left you. And somebody ever pay the taxi man.
Just straighten out the rules before.
But
there
guys,
will be no need for conversations like
Simone, you know, I'm looking at this. I don't know the gentleman, but sometimes though, you know, I think sometimes it's better, gentlemen, to just be honest about what it is you're able to do. I think sometimes in an effort to try to impress the person, you overextend yourself and you don't have to. You don't have to. Just be honest and say, I'd like to spend some time with you.
That's right.
Can't carry you for dinner to this place, but maybe we can just go Emancipation Park, go sit down and count the bush them. And that's still quality time. Yeah. I can't carry for dinner, but I could go Emancipation Park, go count the bush them. I would just go Emancipation Park and sit down and count the bush, that bush, that bush, that bush, that bush. And yeah. But when the problem is now when you say,
can we count bird rather than bush?
Can we go to so and so to eat? And the girl say, yeah. And she going out for dinner, watch my Snapchat. And then when you no, not do that. Honesty, best. And if it's a girl where you can't afford it and you tell her and she says she don't want to go, you don't need that girl.
Exactly.
You don't need that girl.
You don't show ladies, just put some Sinox into your bag. Just in case of emergency, you break the glass.
My producer says she has dating tips.
Oh, sorry, producer. We got a little carried away there.
Be on time. It shows respect for your date's time.
Correct. I agree. Dress appropriately for the occasion.
I super agree. If he's carrying you to prayer meeting, don't dress up like you're going to weddy.
Prayer meeting is a date?
Of course, prayer meeting is a date. Then if you meet a nice Christian guy and him say, come on Bible study with me, or I could go to prayer meeting. It's a date, eh? Nothing wrong
So
with
Christian people don't eat at restaurant too?
Yeah, but him can't say me could go to Bible study because he might test your your level of Christianity. Suppose him take you up
but
now
go
and
Bible
then,
study all
and
the
then
time.
when you start date, him say, Simone, and you say, we go to Bible study. We don't want to go to Bible study.
Yeah,
Or you go to Bible study and pastor said, look for Genesis, you turn the back of the Bible and shame the man.
No.
Never find out.
Look,
I
can do my homework for that first Bible studies class and I don't know nothing and impress him right off the bat and then, it falls flat after that. I mean, dates must go outside of your, I don't know.
If somebody in a carry woman got prayer meeting, they would have less problem.
That is true too. That is true too.
Guys, hold open and close the doors for your date. You should actually do that for every woman,
women,
by the way.
Yeah. That's why I said chivalry is dead, because the amount of doors that almost clapped me into my face. I'm not joking. Men just walk through the door and just let it go.
But you know what? There's a guy who told me that he would open the door and then the women would just
walk through
and not even say thanks, or that they'd look at him like, what are you doing? Why are you opening the door? So ladies, we have to change. We have to be...
Compliment each other. Harold?
Yeah.
Compliment each other. Harold. Thank you very much, sir.
Compliment each other.
Says I look nice today.
If you find Genesis in the Bible, you say, darling.
Good job.
Good job.
Okay.
Do not abandon your date at the venue. I don't know about that one you carry, because
it depends. It depends.
After all of the interrogation, him tell me saying can afford it, and then he cannot afford it.
Bathroom.
Me got a bathroom, and if me can squeeze through the bathroom window, me gone about my business.
You don't have to squeeze through the bathroom window. Just
suppose
peek out when he's not looking.
I'm still going through the bathroom window.
Screech, you come out. Be close and attentive, or it may become your last date with that person. Close and attentive is relative, because if you have somebody who can tell you like what cologne you have on, or what deodorant you're wearing, that might be a little too close. Mm-hmm. Some people are very scary that way. Personal space is important. And
but if him spend the whole time on him phone, he might probably look on Facebook and see Facebook.
Extremes.
Daily has gone Facebook Live. Only look on the man when me and him gone after this.
You know what I'm saying? Just maybe pay half the bill. Be pleasant to your date.
Yes.
That might be nice.
Be pleasant.
Talking down to your date or patronizing your date is not good etiquette. So maybe if you keep asking, can you afford that? If
no, I'm not going to ask him that way there.
What are you going to say?
I'm going to say, your money turn up. Your money turn up.
Remember your manners. Say please, thank you.
Yes.
You're welcome. After you, if you're opening the door.
Yeah, or when the bill comes, say after you.
After you. And then acknowledge each other's courtesies with a smile or a thank you.
All of this is dependent upon whether the date is going well.
Yes.
And if you want it to be more than that date.
Yes.
Yes.
Are we going to have a second date? Then maybe you put your best foot forward.
When I go on a church, my pastor, a true Bible study prayer meeting, pastor help you assess.
Too early.
My pastor help you assess.
Too early to assess.
If this is Jezebel or if this is...
So Harold, you would take your first date to Bible study? Yeah? Aubrey? Yeah, but Harold is married, but ask him who went to watch Delia's play with his wife. That's another discussion for another girl.
I'm nothing to say. But glad I know me, I'm Lord. You see, when you talk about the Lord,
I love you, Harold, I really do.
I say prayer meeting, Bible study, and God does do so well. I go, lock Delia out. Thank God it wasn't me who spoke about that revelation.
I'm sorry, Harold. I do love you though, Harold, you know this. That's it for Girl Talk. More on Smile after the break. If I'm still here, I'm not sure what's going to happen with me and Harrow after this.
Me I start going to church, pan more days at church. Good morning, Bishop. Marvin, you there?